Hi everyone, it's Kerry back with you today. So I am here today to draw the winner of our monthly giveaway. Now if you're new to our channel and don't know how our giveaways work, each month we select a video from the previous month and anyone who commented on that video will go into the draw to win a prize. Now our prizes vary from month to month, and this month our prizes are five $10 digital gift vouchers to purchase digital product from our shop. So the video that I have chosen for this month's giveaway is the No Sew, No Glue, No Staples binding from the ABC April Challenge. So we had 118 comments on that video, so let's pick our 5 winners. Our first winner is Debbie Doherty. Our next winner is Julia's Stampin' Studio. Our third winner is Linda A 8704. Our fourth winner is Diane Hughes. And our last winner for today is Trina Patterson 8872. So congratulations. Thank you so much for supporting our channel by liking and commenting our videos. It really does help. And for everyone else who didn't win, don't worry, there will always be another chance next month. So just make sure you keep commenting on our videos to be included in the draw. Thanks so much for joining me today. We'll see you again next time. Bye.